You know that moment when your engine shuts off at a red light. Feels high-tech, like you are saving the planet and your fuel bill. Not really. That eco feature could quietly wearing down your engine every single day. In this video I will break down what stop-start system really does, hidden costs and how to handle it smartly. By the end of this, you will know when to trust it and when to turn it off. And hit subscribe button so more people can see useful videos. What Auto StopStart really does? The idea is really simple. Your engine shuts off when you stop and starts again when you go, to save fuel and reduce emissions. And in a city traffic that can happen 30, 40 or even 50 times per day. Manufacturers love it, it helps them to pass emission tests. But the real world impact, that's a different story. Number 2. The hidden wear and tear. Let's talk about what really happens under the hood. Oil pressure delay. Each restart means a moment with no oil pressure, no lubrication. Do this once or twice a day? Fine. Do it 50 times on your commute? That's long-term engine wear, especially on turbo engines that need constant oil flow to stay cool. Battery and starter fatigue. Yes, they use AGM batteries and stronger starters, where AGM stands for absorbent glass mat. But those costs double to replace. And they don't last double the time. So, any fuel savings can be wiped out by just one battery swap. Number 3. Real-world annoyances. Next point. Lag when you need power. Light turns green, you press accelerator, engine needs a bit to wake up. That hesitation not fun when turning across traffic. Personally me, I hate this with my diesel. Air conditioner gets weaker. Most cars still use engine power compressors. So when the engine stops, so does your AC. If it's hot out, get ready to sweat, all to save a few cents. Are you even saving money? Let's do some real math. Let's say you save 10% of fuel in city driving. On 10,000 miles per year, it's maybe 130 pounds in savings. But one AGM battery can cost around 300 pounds. A heavy-duty starter another 300 pounds plus. You do the math, are you really saving anything? Number 5. So, should you turn it off? My take is, check if it can be disabled permanently. Some cars let it turn it off for good, others reset it every time. Use it smart, in light traffic leave it on. In heavy stop and go or hot weather, turn it off. If you learned something today, hit like and subscribe and share with your friend who always drive with stop start always on.